What's good, YouTube, man? It's the Hemi twins back here with another video, and today, man, we got another mod for you guys, man. So this channel right here, man, we're gonna be doing y'all a lot of videos, man. We got a lot of videos in storage for y'all boys, so make sure y'all boys stay tuned. Make sure y'all boys hit that like and sub button, and let's get right, man. So yeah, we got so with this mod right here, you know, in these scat packs and hellcats and stuff, they come with the yellow bulb. Like, this car costs so much and it comes with this yellow bulb, man. I was like, man, we gotta get that thing LED, man. So we went with the LED headlight from them boy right there. You know, yeah, however you say them boy, man. But yeah, we went with these boys. And we're gonna see if it doesn't really make a difference from yellow to LED, man. So we're gonna show y'all step by step or how we took it out, and yeah. So we'll be right back. Alright, y'all gonna need this tool too, and I'm gonna tell y'all why for right here. When we get on this side and change this bulb right here, y'all gonna need to take these little pins out right here, but we ain't get there yet. But I gotta pop the hood. You heard what I'm saying, sure? As y'all can see, if it's yellow right now, y'all can see the yellow. Y'all can see the yellow, man. We're gonna see what the LED do, man. You heard me? But yeah. So, if y'all can see right here, it's a dust cover right here. I don't know. Vicky GT, but as y'all can see, it's a dust cover that's holding that light bulb in place down there. But I'm gonna get it out. So you just want to push down on the right side. So you just touch it too. I can see it. All right. So this is what I'm talking about right here. This is gonna be in the corner over there. This is how it looks. All right. Now all we gotta get out is the bulb out the hole. So you want to turn it left to get the bulb out, and this bulb is hard, man, so y'all boy don't touch it. So we're just gonna unclip the bulb real quick, try not to break the clamp. So what you unclipping? I'm unclipping the bulb from this little connector piece right here, this little tab right here, y'all. And this how the new bulbs look that we're gonna be swapping out. You okay? No copyright. But yeah, this how the new one's gonna look. Right there. They both got the same. And when you're looking for new bulbs, always make sure these look the same, cause it gotta plug in that same little connector, that blue connector. So I'm gonna be putting this bulb over here so it won't get dirty. So I like to just rest this on there, and I'm gonna get this and plug it in, and I'm just gonna make sure it's in there. And now I'm going to put the bulb in there. Make sure you put it in the hole for the bulb. Set it in my way. What's this thing? What you feeling? You gotta feel it so the bulb can fit. There's a hole that the bulb go in. You gotta feel it. Alright, so the bulb is in. As y'all can see, it's not going nowhere. So now I just gotta hide it. I just gotta put this in here. Let me just put this guy in here. Put the connector. Once it's in there, you just cover over it. Oh, there we go. There we go. So, with that dust cover, man, that joint was taking me a long time to get to. So you're gonna want to make sure, because the dust cover got a little clip, so when you turning it, it's gonna clip on a little thing so it can hold in place. You just gotta make sure that's lined up before you turn, and then you can turn it. But now we got it fully installed. It's in there. I heard the wiring from the bulb inside the light. So let's see how it looks. That is a big difference, y'all. Go with the white, man. Look how clear it is. Come on, man. That is a big difference, man. Big difference. There's no more yellow. No more yellow. Alright. So since we got that one in there, we're gonna move to this side. So we're gonna need this tool right here, and you're gonna want to make sure your wheel cut all the way. I don't know if it's all the way, but you just want to take out these pins right here so you can get access to this thing. Or you can take out the air intake, but I didn't want to take that out right now. So push this out. Push this in. So now, just want to get it apart, get it off the vehicle real quick. Alright, that's it right there. So if y'all can see, let me put my light in. Light on. As y'all can see, the dust cover is right there. I can't see. You gotta come from the angle. The dust cover is right there. Y'all can't really see it, but it's right there at the top. Where that light at? See right there? It's right there. So we're gonna want to take that off and do the same thing. Right there, that little line. Alright. Plug the light, go left, lefty loosey, righty tighty, and there she is right here. Just want to make sure. Gotta unloosen that the connector from the light. Yeah. Boom. Got her out. Place her right there. Yep, same exact light. Just go whenever that light hit. Just plug it inside that connector. Going right in the connector. And now we just gotta get her in there. there she is. Let me see. She's in there. Once you get that dust cover back on there, you should be good. Yeah, right there. Alright, now let's see. Before we let's put everything back together first.
Well, let's look at it before you put it back together.
Alright, did we install them right? Yes, sir. There we go. The old with the white, that white is crazy, dog. We're gonna give y'all some more videos of it, how it looks at night. So we're gonna give y'all another video of how the light shows at night. So yeah, man. And all you gotta do now is just put the pins back in it. And that's pretty much it.
New thing, y'all can just pull this out so it can go in the hole faster instead of damaging the clip. And when you put it in, boom,
it's gonna work in place.
Yeah. So that way you
just figured it out, man. That's crazy. Yep. And that's it.
Yep.
Everything back together. Alright, man. Now we gonna save these light bulbs, you know. You never know what can happen. Let's put those back in there. Alright, make sure. Alright, man, that's gonna wrap it up for this video, man. If y'all boy like this video, make sure y'all boy like, comment, subscribe. Let us know in the comment section if y'all like to see videos like this, stuff that you can do on your own car and letting other people do it. Don't let other people do it, man. You gotta start working on your own car, man. Make sure y'all boy like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this, man. It's the Hemi twins, and we're out. Alright, man, so we got it. Now I'm going to show you how it looks, how these LED light bulbs look at nighttime, man. You know, it's pretty dark out here. You know, it's on its way to get dark. I'm gonna show y'all walk around up here real quick. Got it nice and shiny. You hear what I'm saying, man? Always gotta keep the car looking good, man. But yeah, that's how this thing look at night. Oh my God, look how bright that is. That is crazy. Look, you can get blind. And that's tough.